is Chellbee. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. Glad to see you guys again. I'm Chellbee, the blogger behind Chellbee.com, and I am continuing on with my morning coffee with Chellbee video. I hope you guys are having great days. If you are sitting down for this morning, grab your coffee, get your Bible, let's talk. Today I'm actually going to be talking from Proverbs 3. And if you're following me on Instagram, then you know I've been reading Proverbs for a while now. It seems like it's taking me forever, but it's only because I got off of my routine for a while, unfortunately. But now that I'm back on it, it's going good, and I'm almost done with Proverbs. But I realized when I was kind of coming up with my ideas for what I wanted to talk to you guys about, that there was a verse in Proverbs 3:27 that I really wanted to share. It stood out to me, and I don't know, it was like it was ringing in my ear, and I just could not let that verse go. So I decided I would share that today with you guys, and I'm going to just start by reading the verse itself. And I'm reading from an English Standard Version Bible, in case you're wondering. And as always, you know, the link will be below with the full details from today's video. So make sure you go to the blog if you need more information. So this is going to be Proverbs 3:27 to 28. And I'm reading from the English Standard Version Bible. Alright. Do not withhold good from those to whom it is due, when it is in your power to do it. Do not say to your neighbor, go and come again tomorrow, I will give it, when you have it with you. So this verse just really stood out to me. I think when I heard withhold good, that's just the main two things that kept standing out, is do not withhold good, do not withhold good. And it just reminded me of how, like, in today's world, we kind of have this attitude, or maybe it might just be me, I don't know, but I feel like sometimes we have this attitude that we have to withhold good from people, and you know, only give them good once they've done X, Y, Z. I think sometimes we treat goodness like it's something that has to be earned, and I just don't feel like that's true or fair or appropriate. I don't know if it's just me, but I just feel like, why should I be withholding goodness from others and making them earn it when I don't feel like I've done anything in particular or so great to earn God's goodness, but yet He's been good to me? And not to say that, you know, we're God or that I'm God, but I'm just talking out loud here. It just doesn't make sense to me. And you might be thinking, well, you know, I don't earn a lot of money to do good to people, but doing good doesn't necessarily mean money. Doing good could be a kind gesture. It can be an act of kindness. It could be a compliment. I mean, it's simple things. I do think giving, you know, money to those in need, of course, is an act of goodness also, but it's not the only way in which we can share goodness with others. The main thing I took away from that verse was just, we can all do something good for others, for those around us, for those we encounter. We all have some way of doing something good. It can be something as small as a compliment. It can be giving money to someone in need. It can be buying lunch for the person behind you in the drive-thru. Whatever it is, just be sure not to withhold goodness from one another. I just feel like that would make the world of a difference if we all just chose to be good to one another in whatever way that we can. And at the end of the day, who does it hurt for you to be good to other people? It's not going to hurt anybody for you to say something kind, or, you know, give whatever it is that you feel you're comfortable with to someone. It's not going to hurt anybody. So just be good to one another. Don't withhold goodness. Don't treat people like they have to earn your goodness. At the end of the day, goodness is a choice just like any other. So choose to be good to one another. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. In the meantime, in between time, you guys stay blessed, be safe. I am going to go. Until next time, you guys. Bye.